what's up guys, and today's training and we're playing bubbles, and I have one right here, and this is the blogger Lyndon Aloha and Kyle Lyndon Aloha and Kyle Aloha, friends with Tita Angie. This is my Tita Angie. And and this is our bloggers. Today's raining, and my my grandpa's washing the pigs, and we can't bike today, and I'm inside the house, and 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 the the outside is raining, and it's too cloudy. It's too cloudy now, and our bloggings and Kyle's have a new bubble, and the end. Thanks for watching, bros.